Hello students, I am Dabina Bhumik from Techno India Group Public School. Today we will discuss about solution of exercise 6.4 from the chapter Triangle. In this video we will discuss about question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of this exercise 6.4. So let's start with question number 1. Here is question number 1. First look at the question. Let ABC and DEF are similar triangle and their area be respectively 64 cm square and 121 cm square. If EF is 15.4 cm, find the value of BC. Okay, so this triangle and this triangle are similar triangle given. The area of ABC is given as 64 centimeter square, okay, and the area of DEF triangle is 121 centimeter square, okay. Also given that EF is 15.4 centimeter, okay. You have to find what will be the value of BC side, okay, this BC side. Now it is already given that ABC is similar with DEF triangle. So you can use the theorem from the previous video. The theorem states that the ratio of area of two similar triangles is equal to square of ratio of the corresponding side of that similar to triangle. Okay, the ratio of area of two similar triangles is equal to square of ratio of sides of the similar triangle, okay, square of ratio of corresponding sides of similar to triangle. Okay, that means you can say that if ABC is similar with DEF, then AB by DE whole square or AB square by DE square is equals to BC by EF whole square is equal to AC by DF whole square. Okay, from this equation I am taking this first ratio and third ratio, okay, and I am writing it here. Now area of ABC given, area of DEF given, the value of EF is also given. So in place of this I am putting the value 64, 121, 15.4 whole square. Now just do the cross multiplication and solve this equation. As you can see, this 64 and 121 both are perfect square. That's why you can write BC by 15.4 is equals to 8 by 11. Okay, if you do the cross multiplication you will get the value of BC. BC will be 11.2 centimeter. Okay, in this way you have to solve question number 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is diagonal of a trapezium ABCD intersect each other at the point O. Okay, if this AB is twice of CD, AB is double of CD, find the ratio of the area of the triangle AOB, means this one, and COD. You have to find the ratio of AOB triangle and COD triangle. Given conditions are this AB is parallel to CD and this AB is twice of CD. Okay, now let's check the solution. Here is the solution. Since AB is parallel to CD, you can say that this angle, that is DCA, is equals to, or you can say this one is DCO. This triangle, this angle DCO is equal to OAB because they are alternative angle. Similarly, OBA is equal to ODC, okay, because they are also alternative angle. So you can say that this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle because they are alternative angles. Okay, now if you take the triangle AOB and COD, if you take the triangle AOB and COD, this AOB is vertically opposite with COD, okay, so they are equal. Similarly, OAB is equal to OCD alternative angles I have explained. OBA is equals to ODC, again alternative angle I have explained. So you can use AAA similarity and you can say that triangle AOB is similar with triangle COD. Now again use that theorem, since AOB is similar with COD, that means the area of this, the ratio of area of these two triangle is equal to square of ratio of the corresponding sides. That means area of AOB by area of COD is equal to the corresponding side, that is AB by CD whole square. Okay, AB by CD whole square, because AB is the side of AOB triangle and CD is the side of COD triangle. Okay, now in the question it is given that AB is twice of CD, right? That means in place of AB square I am writing 2CD whole square. Okay, that means 4CD whole square by CD. You can cancel this CD square and CD square. Therefore area of AOB by area of COD is equals to 4 by 1. That is the ratio of area of triangle AOB and triangle COD is 4:1. Okay, so the ratio of triangle AOB and ratio of area of triangle AOB and COD is 4:1. Now question number 3. Here is question number 3. In the figure ABC, okay, ABC means this is ABC triangle, and DBC is this one, DBC triangle are on the same base BC, right? If AD intersect BC at the point O, then show that area of ABC by area of DBC is equals to AO by DO. Okay, so let's read this question again. Okay, this is ABC triangle and DBC triangle, base is same, that is BC. Now if AD intersect BC at the point O, then you have to find that area of ABC by area of DBC is equal to AO by DO. Okay, so let's check the solution. Here I need a construction. Okay, let AM and DM are the perpendicular on AP and DM are the perpendicular on BC. This is AP and this is DM. Okay, AP is the perpendicular on BC from the point A. Okay, and DM is the perpendicular on BC from the point D. They both are 90 degree. Okay, now you know that for a triangle area is equal to half into base into height, right? So if you consider ABC triangle, the area of ABC triangle will be half into BC into AP, right? Because BC is the base and AP is the height. That's why area of triangle ABC is equals to half into BC into AP. Similarly, if you take DBC triangle, for DBC triangle area will be half into BC into DM, because for DBC triangle base is same BC and height is DM. Okay, now you can cancel this half and half. Okay, and mark this equation as equation number 1. Now if you take, okay, 1 minute, let me erase this again. Okay, so I am considering this one as equation number 1. Now if you take APO triangle, that means this APO triangle, this one, okay, the smaller one, and DMO triangle, this DMO triangle, you can say that this AOP is vertically opposite with DOM. Okay, so they are equal. Again APO is 90 degree and DMO is also 90 degree. Okay, so APO is equal to DMO, each are 90 degree. Okay, and again AOP is equal to DOM because they are vertically opposite. So since two corresponding angles are equal, you can use AA similarity and you can state that triangle APO is similar with triangle DMO. Now since these two triangles is similar, the ratio of corresponding sides are also equal. So you can write AP by DM is equals to AO by AO by DO. Okay, this relation. Now let's check the previous slide. In equation number 1, okay, in place of, okay, this half, okay, 1 minute, this half and half was cancelled, so the remaining part was BC by BC. Okay, this BC and BC is also cancelled, so the remaining was AP by DM, right? From the equation number 1, ratio of these two triangles is AP by DM. Okay, now here you have proved that AP by DM is equals to AO by DO. So from the equation number 1, in place of AP by DM, you can use AO by DO. That means area of triangle ABC by triangle DBC is equals to AO by DO. Okay, in this way you have to solve this equation. Solve this problem. Now question number 4. If the area of two similar triangles are equal, if the area of two similar triangles are equal, then prove that they are congruent. Let us consider that triangle ABC is similar with triangle DEF. Therefore, you can use the theorem from the previous video that the ratio of their area will be equal with square of the ratio of corresponding sides. That is, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equals to AB by DE whole square, BC by EF whole square, AC by EF whole square. Okay. Now, in the condition given that the area of two triangles are equal, that means area of ABC is equal to area of DEF. It is given. Okay. That means if you take this DEF in this side, you can say that area of ABC by area of DEF is equal to 1. Okay, if you take this area of DEF in the right hand side, if you take this one to the left hand side, okay, then you will get area of ABC by area of DEF is equal to 1. Okay, that means from the equation number 1, AB by DE whole square is equal to BC by EF whole square is equal to AC by DF whole square is equal to 1. Okay, if you equal these two ratio, AB square by DE square equal to 1 means AB square is equal to DE square, that means AB is equal to DE. Okay, if you take this one and this one, you will get BC is equals to EF. If you take these two equation, you will get AC by DF is equal. Okay, that is, I am getting AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, AC is equal to DF. That means the corresponding sides are becoming equal. Okay, not only the ratio are equal, the corresponding sides are becoming also equal. That means you can use SAS congruency rule. Okay, SAS congruency rule, side, and you can state that triangle ABC is congruent with triangle DEF. Okay, so that means if the area of two similar triangles are equal, they are also congruent triangles. Okay, so in this way you have to solve question number 4. This is all for today. Okay, thank you.